What's up, everybody? I'm Missler. It is Friday. I'm on my way to work. And since we've been so busy at work and just fulfilling, customers' demands, basically, that everything else has been put on hold as far as race car and getting videos for that around. So I figured, why not shoot some video of what we're doing daily, it seems like, even on the weekends, working in the machine shop, and what that looks like. So here you go. A little bit of cream. It's an iron bean coffee. It's the best. So this is the coffee that we're drinking. Iron bean, made in Perrysburg, roasted in Perrysburg, dark Rocco. I like the dark roast. So you guys need to see this desk. It is a mess. Look at this one over here. That is a mess. But when the work's caught up, then we'll clean the desks. Alright, so this is what we're working on this morning that we have to get done pretty quick. Don't mind my cluttered up toolbox. But we are turning these pins in the lathe here. So I already turned the lathe on, now we gotta home the machine here. This screen doesn't work, so we added this screen up here. These screens were always going out, so we got tired of buying them, so we improvised. So now we're gonna home the machine. Press go. There she goes. Exciting stuff. Alright, it's home. Now we gotta bring that carriage up here, get our part in the chuck, and finish the other end of that thing. Alright, we got the part faced off the length. Now we have to turn the little shoulder on there. You can see that. Just gotta turn that little step in there. We're gonna write a program up here to do that. Alright, got it programmed. This is our graphic screen. It's gonna show you what the tool path is gonna look like when it's cutting. It's doing it really fast. So it doesn't look like it's going to crash, so we're going to let her rip. There you go. Looking good. So we got 2 pins done. The ends are turned. We just got to drill a couple cross holes, and we'll do that over in the middle. There we go, ready to go out the door. We just got done eating lunch. I should have filmed what it looked like before, but Amber supplied us with some lunch today. Tacos. Good stuff. Right, Wes? That's correct. Hey! What are you doing?
Bringing in some snacks.
Woo!
Yum yum.
What you doing, Brad?
We'll do a little part off here. See how it goes. And here we go. Turn off the light so we can see. Should punch about right now. Go.
Perfect. Hanging on by a thread.
There you go.
For real. Alright, so we're going to make some deliveries here in the Toyota Beast. Alright, so made our deliveries and just at the gas station filled up the old Toyota, went and got our mail, and look what came in the mail. If I can do this without, I need 3 hands. Come on, check that out. I got some pictures developed. Pretty cool. So, before I left to make deliveries, I got a call. I should tell you, it's about, what time is it? 4 o'clock. Friday afternoon, got a call from a customer. I have to go to their plant, and I got to measure up to electric motor and a gearbox, and I got to create a shaft, an adapter shaft, to adapt the 2 together. I believe it's going to be a conveyor shaft or something. So I'm on my way back from making these deliveries, and I got to go there and make a little sketch and make a shaft tonight. Friday night. Fun. Okay, so it's about almost 9 o'clock Friday. We got this shaft here for the gearbox. Didn't do a whole lot of filming on this bad boy, but we got her done. We got to do a little bit more work in the morning, but they'll be all fixed up and back up and running tomorrow morning. So now you can see a little bit as to why I'm not getting very much done on the race car. Now, I have good intentions of, you know, going out and tinkering on a race car, you know, in the evenings and stuff, but when the work's here and when customers need stuff, you know, we just we cater to the customer, and the race car kind of gets pushed back. But you know, eventually here we're going to be working on race cars and, you know, getting that thing ready to go. And when we start working on that, we'll have the video camera filming all that stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this machine shop video, kind of the Friday machine shop day in the life. So let me know below what you thought. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to Christian for editing these, and we'll see you soon.